There are two completely different ways developers are using AI to code right now, and choosing the wrong one for your workflow could be costing you hours every day. The first approach? Copilots. These are AI assistants that plug into your existing editor, VS Code, JetBrains, whatever you're comfortable with. They watch you code and suggest the next line, like an autocomplete on steroids. You're still the driver. The AI just fills in the blanks. The second approach flips this completely. AI native editors like Cursor or Windsurf treat AI as a co-architect. You describe what you want in plain English, and the AI writes entire functions, refactors files, even debug across your codebase. You're collaborating, not just accepting suggestions. This isn't just about features, it's about how you think. With copilots, you're thinking in code, and the AI fills gaps. With AI editors, you're thinking in problems, and the AI translates to code. Different brain, different workflows. The good news? The lines aren't blurring. VS Code now has chat, Cursor has inline suggestions. The future isn't choosing one, it's knowing when to use each mode for maximum productivity. So which are you? A developer using AI tools or collaborating with AI as a partner? Try both modes this week and see which fits your brain. Drop a comment with your experience.